All right, just look at this. It looks mean with its beautifully stretched wheel flares housing these massive 37-inch all-terrain tires. It gets exclusive lights, hood, and jet-like extractors. It's armored to protect its vitals with its lifeblood, a 3-liter turbo V6 EcoBoost engine with 400 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of stump-pulling torque. With Fox Live Valve 3.1 shocks, it'll run the Baja like it's on pavement. With GO.A.T modes, locking front and rear discs and stabilizer disconnect, it'll go through the slow stuff with ease as well. Oh yeah, it's the Bronco Raptor. This is one of the most off-road capable vehicles that money can buy. This thing is big, it's extreme, and I think it's pretty good looking myself, but it also starts at 116,000 Canadian dollars, so it ain't cheap. But do you really need one of these Raptors to be adventure ready? And the answer is no, you don't need a Raptor. Check this out. We are in a non-Raptor and we are definitely adventure ready. Why? Because we're here at the Bronco Off-Rodeo. So what is the Bronco Off-Rodeo? Well, it's an off-road program designed for Broncos. There are 5 different locations. You have Tennessee, Texas, New Hampshire, Moab, and Nevada, just outside of Las Vegas, where we are right now. How do you get here? Well, get this. This is the best part. If you buy a new Bronco, even a Bronco Sport, you get free admission into the Bronco Off-Rodeo, whichever one's closer to you. Now, that does not include airfare or accommodations. The Bronco Off-Rodeo Owner's Experience is a full-day program including lunch, dinner, and an evening campfire. Oh, and one more big thing. You get to use their Broncos so you can leave yours at home. The program starts with an orientation of the Bronco, some fun trivia, and some off-road exercises to get you familiarized with the terrain and the truck. This Nevada location consists of 1,200 acres of trails, rock gardens, hills, high-speed goodness, and no shortage of amazing photo ops to create some lasting memories. After we've had some instruction of what to do in your Bronco and how to do it, then we actually apply that in real life settings on the trail, going high speed. One of my favorite tools is the trail turn assist. Essentially, you can almost turn on a dime. We have activated. Steering is right to the left, and I'm just going to hit the gas, and we're just going to rotate it right around. It's like a turntable. When you're out in the wild, it's just really handy, whether you're going and turning, like a switchback. It makes it so much easier. I really kind of get why people like off-roading or 4x4ing. And, it's like every time I go to a program like this, I kind of leave wanting to get a 4x4 because I get it. It's more than just going on a gravel road and just putting your foot to the floor and just flying. No, there's a lot more to it. In fact, there's a lot of brake control, there's weight transfers, spotting, there's, finding traction. And when you put it all together and you do it right, it feels so good. It's almost like an off-road ballet. Then you get the outdoor aspect. It gets you outdoors, and the people are really great that are involved. It's a little community. Everyone has the same passion. And it's really important that we preserve the areas that we actually go and drive on, which is why Ford actually has a very cool initiative that they've actually started.
The Wild Fund was announced in 2021 when Ford basically brought back the Bronco, and essentially it's just a multi-million-dollar endowment. That's an annual investment that Ford is allocating funds that are proceeds raised from people buying into the Bronco community, and they're just allocating those funds to industry partners, to everything from planting trees to keeping trails maintained and groomed, to helping less underprivileged youth get out to the great outdoors and experience nature, and everything in between. It's a really cool thing that's bringing awareness to proper off-roading technique and developing a really good, healthy culture that I think the off-road industry truly needs. And it's unfortunately been tarnished over decades of people just abusing the trail systems and leaving trash everywhere, but Ford is playing their part and literally spending millions to help undo a lot of that and clean it up.
Then we have the G.O.A.T modes, and guess what? It's not just a fancy dial that says G.O.A.T. It is go over any terrain, and it's really true. Whether you're going high speed in Baja mode, sand, rock crawling, which we're doing right now, and it just makes things so much easier to do, and you can really go pretty well anywhere over any terrain with this. I know this sounds like an ad, but I'm serious. This is a very, very challenging off-road course. 1,200 acres of it, and you get to experience a little bit of everything with these Broncos. And the instructors are very good, and they're really patient. Yep, I love it.
Crawl forward slowly. The smoother you are on that brake, the less unsettling you'll have. It'll just lift smoothly.
Excellent.
So crawl forward, come off that brake slowly. Yeah, look at this. There you go.
Is that max right there?
It's beautiful. Now you got a little bit more in the tank.
Okay.
You got a little bit more in the tank.
All right.
There we go.
Woo!
Beautiful. And now, completely off the brake, let technology take over for you, man. There
All right.
we go. Don't interfere with those pedals.
Have faith, brake off, just steer. It's like cheating.
Ryan, nice job, man. Nice job.
Nice job. It's pretty easy when you have this type of technology.
Over. Nice. Keep it all the way driver. All the way driver. Do not turn.
So what if you don't have a new Bronco or know anyone that just bought one, but you still want to participate? You can actually pay to do the Off-Rodeo now. And first of all, it's a great way to see what the Bronco is capable of. Maybe you're thinking about buying one. Like no one gets a test drive like this. And second, it's a lot of fun. It's a great activity. For instance, we're in Nevada. We're 45 minutes off the Strip, or the Vegas Strip. Say you come to Vegas, you want to do some excursions, maybe do the Hoover Dam or something, and spend half a day doing the Bronco Off-Rodeo. Hey, it's a lot of fun. Seriously, regardless if you buy a Bronco or not, I think anyone that does this will be thoroughly impressed, but also they'll have a big grin on their face at the end of the day as well. Ford has definitely not sugar-coated this Off-Rodeo, at least this one in Nevada at all. I can't speak to the other four, but I'm assuming it would be the same situation. These are really, really extreme conditions and rock gardens. And this is like, if these vehicles weren't capable, this would just be set up to fail, like big. And people would probably just get out and not want a Bronco. But obviously, hey, when you see it this capable and experience it, you appreciate your vehicle, or in the case of if you don't own one, you'll probably want to buy one after this program. And just like that, our day at the Bronco Off-Rodeo is done. And all I gotta say is I am blown away. I was at the launch of the Bronco, so I spent some time in the Bronco there. I was at the launch of the Bronco Raptor as well as the Everglades, and I even had a Bronco for a couple weeks, including the Raptor, and all that seat time combined doesn't equal what I've learned about off-roading, and I've been to other off-road programs as well, and the capabilities of these Broncos. And once again, you don't have to have a Raptor to actually enjoy and be adventure ready. And also, if you're an owner, to be able to not only see what your vehicle is capable of doing, but also how to use and utilize the tools in a Bronco. I didn't even know a lot of these things, and when you apply them, how much difference it makes in your off-roading for sure. As you can see, you don't need a Raptor to be adventure ready. These regular Broncos are very, very capable, you know, as you witnessed. They're pretty incredible. But if you do own a Raptor, hey, they have not forgotten about you. They actually have a Bronco Raptor program, currently only at the Nevada location, but maybe they will spread. And I think it's really a good idea if you own one of these to take that course. It's free and it's a good reason to come to Vegas. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment below. Bye. Like always, if you enjoyed this video or any content on the channel, I have a lot of videos and not just automotive. We have tech, outdoor equipment, including robotic lawnmowers and snow blowers, and even travel, so something for everyone. I would really appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button. It's completely free, and it allows me to continue creating more content like this for you. Hope to see you on the next video. Bye.